the margin squeeze that businesses are already going through right now before the tariffs are enacted. So small business to medium business owners are having a real struggle right now trying to decide what, if anything, they can do to deal with tariffs are on, tariffs are off. It's creating a ton of uncertainty, which is why we're seeing such market gyrations. Now let's take a step outside of the US. And for many big companies and countries, the US is their best customer. So what happens when your best customer suddenly tells you on very short notice, hey, I want a 10% discount on everything you're selling? Because when we levy a 10% tariff on them, that's basically what we're asking for to keep prices neutral, a 10% discount. Well, what if that discount is 20% or 47%, as in the case with Vietnam, or over 100% with China? Well, the first thing you're going to do is try and negotiate to save your business in the short run. And that is what President Trump is pushing these entities to do, to negotiate. So this is a negotiating tactic, in my viewpoint, above the 10%. It's a complete negotiating tactic to try and eliminate the deficit to the best of our ability. But the second thing you're going to do is you're going to go find new customers. So you're not as reliant on the biggest customer that you have. And let's take that a step even further. When the US weaponized the dollar by sanctioning Russia after the Russian invasion of the Ukraine, what happened with the BRICS countries? They decided they wanted to try and shun the dollar and do as little trading in the dollar as possible. Because if we can sanction Russia, we can sanction them. But the dollar's embedded in the world's financial system, so shunning it's really hard to do. But if you own gold and have gold in a vault, it can't be sanctioned or seized.